Hello, friends, and welcome to Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. Today on our wedding show, we're going to be making this delicious golden wedding punch, and it's one of my favorites of all time. This was actually my Aunt Carol's reception punch recipe that I got back in the 1990s, but I first had this in the 1980s, and it's got quite a few ingredients, some special ones. So, we're going to get started here in just a minute. All right, well, welcome back. We're getting ready to make this wonderful golden wedding reception punch, and it has a lot of wonderful ingredients in it. And like I said, one of my favorite memories is having this when I was a little boy. Aunt Carol made this, and I fell in love with it, and I got the recipe, and I'm going to make it for you now. So, to start off, we're going to start by putting in this beautiful large punch bowl 46 ounces of orange juice, and I prefer orange juice with the pulp, as well as 1 liter of 5 Alive citrus drink, which can be purchased online. So let's go ahead and add this to the bowl, and it is a beautiful golden color once it's all finished. All right, now we're going to add some peanut pineapple drink mix, and this is something that you would probably have to order online as well. And you're going to follow the instructions for one package. One package of the standard size peanut pineapple drink mix. And you're going to add 1 cup of sugar to that, as well as 2 quarts of water. And I've already pre-done that. So this is going to be added to the punch as well. See how pretty and golden that is? All right, next we have 46 ounces of pineapple juice. And last, we have of the main liquids, 46 ounces of apricot nectar and 33.8 ounces of pina colada mix. This is a non-alcoholic punch. If you wanted to kick it up a little bit, I would recommend a pineapple rum, but this one is non-alcoholic that we're making today. So let's go ahead and add that in as well. All right, and then we're going to give that a little stir with our punch ladle very gently and get all of that mixed up. You can see, I wish you were here to smell it because it smells heavenly. All right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 liters of ginger ale. All right, now we've got the ginger ale in there. And what I did was I softened up this pineapple sherbet. And this is 1.5 quarts. We're going to use 3 quarts today. And as I always say, you can never have enough sherbet. If you want to add more, you're welcome to, because it really makes it delicious. And I softened this a little bit and cut it into some smaller pieces. And we're going to add that into our golden wedding punch. And I just like to kind of put it in there in little dollops. If you put your spoon in, sometimes it's easier when it's wet and you dig into this, you can get it out much easier. All right, there we go. And now we're just going to give this a very gentle stir. And I always like to make the punch about 15 minutes before your guests arrive. Is really a good time. And I've had all of these ingredients that I pre-measured in the refrigerator, and so they're good and ice cold. If you wanted to garnish the top with some edible, maybe some yellow rose petals, or you could even probably put some pineapple slices on it as well if you wanted to. But it's really good just this way. So I've got it stirred up, and I think that we should try a glass. So I've got this beautiful vintage glass, So we're going to get our punch and we're going to ladle some into our glass here. And you want to make sure to get a little bit of that sherbet in there because that's really the best part. All right, so there's our beautiful golden wedding punch. Now let's give it a try. Just as I remember it. I know that you're going to love this.